With KHON2 Weather, Justin Cruz.
We have a surge of showers that's pushing towards the islands overnight tonight through tomorrow, maybe even Wednesday morning. Some of those showers may be heavy. Let's check on 3 areas of disturbed weather in the East Pacific. All have fairly low chances of becoming a tropical system, but the highest number is the one that's in the middle of the other 2. We'll just keep an eye on this. This is not any kind of immediate threats. However, things are ramping up in the Central and East Pacific and the equatorial regions where there's a lot of thunderstorms this time of year. And what we look for are thunderstorms that form and start to turn counterclockwise. Again, not a threat. We'll be keeping an eye on it. Hurricane season runs to the end of November. Our winds are increasing. This is going to start on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Trades are going to be up to 30 miles per hour, and that means gusts up to 40 miles per hour in most situations. And we have some high clouds over and near Kauai. That is just due to thunderstorm activity far from the islands. Now let's talk about rain, because we do have storm remnants, or what I'm calling storm remnants. This was once an area of thunderstorms that we were watching in case it became a tropical system. Well, it didn't. But the trade winds picked it up, and that's that moisture that's going to be moving through the state. It could be occasionally heavy, especially over Big Island and Maui slopes. So keep that in mind. The good news is that any kind of rain that moves through is going to be moving through rather quickly because of trade winds. We have some heavier showers that are just offshore of the Big Island right now. My hope is also that Kauai will get a little bit of the rain because they're dealing with that Kokee brush fire, and there's no rain in the area. Hopefully some of those windward showers will make it into leeward spots as well. On again, off again showers for the Ko'olaus. Right now it's pretty much dry, not seeing too much. And again, it's great when these windward showers make it to leeward spots. Otherwise, leeward areas would have 0 rain for the most part. Looking through or at Maui County, not too much happening. We do have a few light sprinkles for the Hana side of Maui, and then all that offshore rain, which is going to be more and more numerous as the night progresses. Tuesday does look fairly wet. We've got 1 to 3 for the south and the west, north at 2 footers, east shores 3 to 5. So first comes the rain, 45% chance of showers. Then the winds kick in. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, those winds are up to 30 miles per hour. Weekend looks good, though. 15 to 20% chance of showers. That's normal for this time of year, with sunshine Saturday and Sunday.